Guys, look, it's so good outside. Okay, hindi niyo makita, pero look. Hindi ako usually nalabas ng gandang oras, pero since it's so good outside, lalabas ako for a walk. Kanina lumabas kami, sinamahan ko si mami sa RITM kasi nagpaturok siya dahil kinamot siya ng aso. After nun, pumunta kami ng festival. Tapos, nag-try kami ng Americano sa Zeus. Kasi, sanay na kami sa black coffee. Hindi na kami nainom ng mga parang sweet drinks, ganon. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung naging rason bakit ako sinipag. Pero kasi parang nasa isip ko, hindi yung kape. Kasi habang nandun ako sa RTM, nagre-review ako sa phone. So, sinipag ako even though na wala pang kape. So, yeah, I'm just proud lang. Kasi na nagawa akong mag-review kahit na parang tinatamad ako. Parang nasa isip ko lang kasi I need to review kasi nag-set ako ng deadline na dapat tapusin ko na siya tomorrow. And ang nangyari is natapos ko siya today. So, and for the rest of the day, yun nga, gumala lang kami ng short lang, for a while lang. O not really like gala. Kasi may hinahanap kaming mga parang gamit. Tapos nung umuwi kami, may ginawa pa akong mga parang task din. Wala pa silang deadline, pero may nagawa ako. Which is, yung mga deadline na yun, or yung mga task na yun, is for the week naman. If may natitripan akong deadline for this day, edi ginagawa ko siya. And nagagawa ko. So yeah, I'm proud of that. Yung nakita nyo kaninang 4 like sticky notes din sa phone, sa laptop. 2 na lang sila kasi natapos ko na lahat ng task doon. So, yay! Ngayon lang, nakaisip ako ng parang content about like yung kapag may gusto akong pag-usapan. I don't know if makakontinue ko yung release na unreleased. Kasi I'm not really liking yung parang long forms of videos. I'm not really sure. Pero, what I'm thinking of doing ngayon, yung for the future videos is, I'm gonna film with my laptop, ganon. Tapos, I'm gonna do on-the-spot research with like ChatGPT kasi, lately kasi, when I have questions, I ask ChatGPT. And then, parang naka-establish na rin ko ng parang connection, ganun. Kasi alam na niya yung parang, kilala na niya ako. And, ayun, parang naisip ko lang na, why not while I film, edi magtatanong ako kay ChatGPT for like, a live reaction, ganun. While I'm figuring something out about this topic, kasabay ko kayo, ganun. Parang ganung idea. So, yeah, I'll be doing that for the next videos, for the future videos, and I already have some content in mind. So, yeah. And also, I'm turning 25 in a few days. Not really sure kung makakapag-vlog ako. I think no. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog ngayong araw na to. Sadly. So, yan. Tutulog na ako. Good night. I don't know kung bet niya tong angle na to. But we're gonna work on it because naghahanap ako ng interesting angles. Anyway, so lumabas kami today and ito yung mga binili ko. So I got these training gloves. Syempre, pink. Lami naman ako. And kaya kami bumili kasi nagpa-practice kami mag dead hang. And ang pinagpa-practicean namin is yung monkey bars dito sa lugar namin. I don't know if it's ideal. Kung i-judge nyo kami kasi gumagamit kami ng monkey bars sa isang playground to do dead hangs, you're welcome to judge us. So far, I don't know, enjoyable experience kasi parang, gusto namin eh. Gusto namin kasi mag-try mag-dead hangs. So, bumili kami ng gloves. Pero, we'll still try na mag-dead hangs ng wala. Kasi I read na you're supposed to do dead hangs without gloves para lumakas yung grip mo. Pero, we still bought training gloves para if ever man na masakit or something, then at least may gloves, diba? Kasi it's still recommended naman kahit pa paano na mag-gloves. So, yun, bumili kami. I also bought ribbon. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi, gusto kong gumawa ng ribbon roses for my birthday. It's not actually for my birthday, pero nag-start kasi siya nung Valentine's Day. Kasi parang nag-interest ako na gumawa. Kasi parang, imbis na bumili ng flowers, why not ribbon roses na lang. Ayoko din kasi ng tunay na flowers, diba? Kasi syempre, malalanta. And hindi rin talaga ako magaling mag-alaga ng flowers. So, why not eternal flowers na lang? Tama ba? Eternal roses, ganun. So, gagawa ako. And that'll be my project, ganun. We'll see kung paano ko siya magagawa. Parang, siguro, birthday gift ko na rin sa sarili ko. So, yeah. At saka, at least, diba, ginawa ko on my own. Dahil wala akong jowa, ako na nagagawa. Also, bumili ako ng hair clips. Buy one, take one siya. So, yon for 99 pesos lang, naka-buy one take one ako, and nakuha ko like tig 6 pieces. So, yon. Kasi naghahanap ako ng parang clip na yung dito. Kasi, may nakita akong babae na nagvo-vlog. Naka-ano siya, naka-clip na ganito. And then sabi ko, parang gusto ko. Actually, meron si mami na parang butterfly clip. Kaso iisa. So, gusto kong bumili. Tapos ito, nahanap ko, 6 pieces, mura. Nag-buy one, take one. So, bumili ako. So, close up. Para siyang, parang ribbon. I don't know if you could see it, pero para siyang ribbon. The other one is, para siyang square. Ayan. Ayan, so, isa ding reason kaya ako parang bumili. Kasi I have bangs na pasaway, kasi kulot ako. And, it's a necessity. If ever man na parang naging pasaway siya, hindi mo alam saan pupunta, then, ayan, that's why I bought these. And it's, wala lang, cute lang. So, yeah, that's my haul. Nag-iisip ako kung gagawa ako ngayon nung parang flowers. Hahanapin ko yung glue gun. Then, I'll try. I hope na may glue gun and glue stick para magawa ko tong project na to. We'll see. Hindi na nakapag-film ng buong araw. But, yung sinabi kong project na gagawin ko dapat kagabi is nagawa ko na siya, and it's so adorable. Look at this. So, ito yung ginawa kong Eternal Rose. Gawa dun sa ribbon na binili ko yesterday. So, ito yun. As you can see. Beauty. Hindi ko na-realize na ang cute pala ng kulay. Kasi nung binibili ko siya, parang sinasabi ko, parang hindi ko masyadong bet yung kulay. Para siyang a little more pink than I like. Pero, look at that. Cute, diba? And also, kasi, hindi kasi maganda yung parang, pagkakakapit. Hindi kasi maganda tingnan yung parang, yung ilalim, yung behind the scenes. Yung behind this, like, paper. Hindi kasi maganda tingnan. So, I decided to do this. And, syempre, wala na akong crepe paper. Kung kailangan ng crepe paper, saka siya nawala. Saka na itapon. So, tsaka may mancha na din daw. Kaya, hindi ko rin gamitin. But anyway, so, I found pink paper, which, you know me, mahilig ako sa pink. And, ito yung nagawa ko. I know it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but I am in love with what I made. And this is my birthday gift and Valentine's gift para sa sarili ko. So, happy with this one. And as you can see, meron ding ribbon. Same ribbon as this one. So, diba? And you might be wondering, anong ginamit ko parang stick? Kasi usually, I think, ang ginagamit is like barbecue stick. Kasi maninipis yung nakikita ko. Well, ginamit ko is chopsticks. Mga hindi na siya gamit na chopsticks. Nakita ko may parang si mami ng mga chopsticks ng mga hindi nagamit, mga nakatago. So, ito yung rose. This is proof. Ayan, no? Yeah, so, resourceful ang ate girl nyo. And, look what she made. And now, naka-display na siya dito sa nightstand. And guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung nightstand. It's so cute talaga. So, this is, nightstand tour. Okay, so this one is gawa ko. This is my Valentine's Day gift / birthday gift for myself. Okay, as you can see, ayan siya. Ano, closer look. Diba? It's so cute! Oh my gosh! So, ayan siya. And then, itong lalagyan na to is for, you know, yung mga parang madaling kunin or madaling itago. Yung madalas kong kinukuha, which is I have here my lip serum and meron din dyan mga parang lip balm, which is madalas kong kinukuha. And if ever man na may parang suot akong singsing, I could put it here. Then kapag nakita ko na nandyan yung singsing, then I can return it dun sa lalagyan na talaga. Then I have a mirror. Set this aside muna. So this one is from yung dati kong ka-workmate. Kasi nagkaroon ng exchange gift. And then, ito yung naibigay niya sa akin. Yun. Then, picture of me. And then, this adorable Marie. Yeah, nabili ko yun sa Miniso. It's a blind box actually. And funny story, it's a blind box. I don't know kung nakikita niya sa Miniso. Pero, yung blind box is si Marie and si Lucifer. Now, I don't mind Lucifer. Kasi ako, wait lang Kasi ako, kapag nabili ako ng parang mga blind box, I make sure na lahat dun magugustuhan ko. Hindi ako bibili ng blind box kung parang isa lang yung hino-hope na makuha ko, ganun. I wanna make sure na kapag may nakuha ako, magugustuhan ko siya. Well, obviously, there's a favorite, diba? So, in this case, si Marie, there are 6 options and 3 Lucifer, 3 Marie. Ngayon, syempre, I was hoping for Marie, diba? Although, the reason why na-commit ako na sa blind box is ang cute ni Lucifer din. Like, very adorable din siya. I know he's not my favorite cat, pero since I'm a Disney fan, diba? Parang mahilig ko sa Disney. So, it's understandable kung makukuha ko si Lucifer kasi honestly, I've never watched the Aristocats. Aristocats ba yun? But yeah, I can't say na favorite cat or character ko si Marie. And I also can't say na favorite ko si Lucifer, diba? But they're so adorable and I'm a Disney fan, so... And also, hello, Pink. So... Basta, I made sure na lahat ng options magugustuhan ko para kapag may nakuha akong blind box, then hindi ako manghihinayang na, oh no, hindi ito yung gusto ko, ganun. So, that's the story. But, look what I got. So, I got Marie and her adorable macarons and her milk. Ayan siya. So, nakalagay siya dito sa lampshade ko. And then this lampshade is from SM and it's quite adorable. Yeah. Also, ito palang itong lalagyan is nakuha din sa exchange gift pero sa mga kamag-anak ko. Ayun lang. So that is my tour of my nightstand. So Feb has ended. Well, I mean, in a few hours Feb will end. And tomorrow will be March na, so I thought of ending this vlog ngayon. Hindi ako napag-vlog na maayos. I don't know kung makikita nyo or kung ako lang makapansin, but hindi ako napag-vlog ng maayos, or I hope it would be. These are just like random clips of my February, so that's all I could do. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna sleep na. Oh no, I'm not gonna sleep na. I will be watching Bridgerton. Ngayon ko lang na-start ang Bridgerton series, okay? I mean, yung season 4. Ngayon ko pa lang na-start kasi gusto ko na pag pinanood ko, release na lahat. And nirelease yung part 2 kahapon, I think, or 26. So, inantay ko talaga na ma-release lahat. And then right now, tignan mo, dire-diretsong pinapanood kasi favorite ko ang Bridgerton. That's how I know na favorite ko ang Bridgerton, because very, very rare na tuloy-tuloy ko pinapanood. Kasi, what do you mean na kanina nag-episode 1 na ako and now I am on episode 6? I don't know kung matatapos ko siya ngayon. Maybe. So, I will continue my binge watching. Okay, and guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I get to see more of you. I hope to see this family growing. You're welcome to join the fam, and I'll see you soon. Bye.